Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you? Today I'm in front of you and I try to introduce myself in a different way. Today I will introduce myself in a multiple language. First I will introduce myself in English language, second Arabic, third Hindi, fourth Urdu and last will be the Persian language. So don't make it there, let's start with English language. I'm Mu'min Islam, I'm from Pabna. I have completed my SSC and HSC both from Pabna Islamia Madrasa. After this, I decided I will admit at University of Dhaka because University of Dhaka is not only the oldest university of our country, but also it is the toppest university of our country. And all of the students want to admit this university because of its facilities. And after this, I chose Arabic language and literature as my major because I love this language and I love their people, their country and their tradition. And Arabic language is not only a communicative language, but also it has religious value. So I choose and prefer this language. If I talk about the strongest point I have, mainly I'm a self-learner, I love to learn multiple languages and I like to teach this language. And I'm also a tech lover, I love technology a lot. I have a good idea about Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, and also social media management. And I know how to recover Facebook hacked account, and also basic video editing, and all of this stuff. And if you talk about my favorite thing, mainly, let me think a second. Mainly I love to go a tranquil place. It can be evergreen or it can be bank of river. I love to go there and try to listen nasheed or music alone. Secondly, I love to walking in the morning or it can be evening. And the third, I'm really emotional person, so I love to help a needy person. If I talk about the problem I try to overcome now, the first will be, I guess, I'm natural introvert person, so I cannot express myself in front of a big audience or in front of a big crowd perfectly. So I'm really developing my public speaking or also my personal skill. And second thing will be the consistency. Consistency is very important in life, but fact is that for me, it became very tough to maintain daily routine. So I'm really struggling to develop this habit. And the third will overthinking. I'm really struggling this habit. I guess it is a fault. Like if you want to do something, I think what will happen next, what will happen next. So I'm really struggling this habit and I try to overcome this one. And if you talk about my future plan, mainly I don't love to share my long-term plan, but I'm really passionate about learning multiple language and I like to teach language. So I want to be a language teacher. It can specifically for Arabic language, for English language and Bengali for non-Arabic speaker. And secondly, I'm really tech lover person. I love technology a lot. So I want to do a job that is related to tech field. It can be creating content or making video lesson or it can be freelancing. So that's all. And thank you for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.